everyone, it's Deborah. I'm kind of excited because I'm trying out a new product we haven't even released yet. And you can put it onto almost any hard surface. So I'm making this little tin thing that goes in the soil that'll tell you what you've planted. I've never done this. If it doesn't work, that's okay too, because we will learn something together. So let's see. No, it almost worked. Trying it. I'm going to leave it on longer. You're really supposed to do this. What we've done in experimenting with it is that we've used a pad with it, but I don't have a pad. So I'm just increasing the time and seeing if that will make some of the ink stay on more. Okay, now as I mentioned to you, this is a cold peel and it's metal, so we want to be careful. I'm going to really let that cool down. Before I take it off. All right. Very cool. It worked. Yay, Deborah. Bye, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all future tutorials. Thanks, everyone.